So I couldn't see the time real well at the end of that part 3, so I kind of ended in the middle of a problem. I apologize, but I will continue that right now. So we were working on example number 8, and we had just translated to the left 1 unit and down 4 units. And then we were going to take care of the reflection. So if I drew this by going up each time, that wouldn't consider the fact that it was going to be reflected across the x-axis. So when I go to the right one, the square root of 1 says to go up 1, but I'm going to reflect that. And then to the right 2, I don't know. I don't know the square root of 3, but the square root of 4 would have had me going up 4. Now we're going down 4. And then to the right 5, we don't know the square root of 5 or 6 or 7 or 8, but we know the square root of 9 is 3. But instead of going up 3, we're going to go down 3. So this is going to be the new version of that line or of that radical. All right, so just in case you couldn't see it very well, I went ahead and put up the slide that I had already made, and it looks like we did all the same moves that I made back in the past. So hopefully that was understandable for you, and if you have any questions, you can always see me for tutoring.